Ever wondered which cascading garden plants are easy to grow and can make your garden look both awesome and exotic? Let me introduce you to Lysimachia nummularia, a vigorous trailing plant commonly known as golden creeping jenny or moneywort. This plant can transform your garden into a vibrant oasis. Stay tuned to discover why this trailing perennial might become your next favorite plant. Lysimachia is not only beautiful, but also incredibly resilient and easy to grow and care for. It is often used in gardens for its attractive, coin-shaped leaves and its ability to spread quickly, making it a popular choice for ground cover or as a trailing accent plant in hanging baskets, window boxes, and container combinations. It forms long, beautiful draperies of light green to yellow leaves. Throughout the spring to late autumn, Lysimachia remains lush and green. Late spring brings vibrant yellow flowers, adding a pop of color to your garden. When winter arrives and temperatures drop, the leaves and stems turn brown. When this happens, simply remove the dead foliage, and come spring, new growth will begin again. In its natural habitat, Lysimachia thrives in moist areas, often found near rivers and lake shores. It loves plenty of water, so when growing the plant in pots, regular and almost daily watering is essential. It is highly adaptable and can grow in a variety of lighting conditions. To boost leaf and stem growth, just trim the tips of the stems. Within a few months, the cascading stems can reach lengths of over a meter, creating a stunning visual effect. Propagating Lysimachia nummularia is incredibly easy. Simply cut stems from a mother plant into small cuttings and put them straight into the soil. In just a week or two, you'll see new stems beginning to grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and plant profiles.